how many packs should we put inside an in-house program? This is one of the common questions that we have been asked, and we find it very challenging because one of the things we realize for HR is, or companies, they normally want to squeeze in as many people as they can into an in-house program, trying to maximize the training. However, based on our experience, we find that if you squeeze in too many people, it is rather damaging. Why? Because example number one, when it comes to like Excel training, you find that if you put in too many people, as a trainer, we need to go around helping everyone to do, because when they are pursuing it, when they cannot do, they get very frustrated. So many times we have to go around one at a time to help them. That actually eats up the whole program, the time for the program. So it is not advisable. For Excel, we recommend below 15 or maybe 10 to 12, that would be the best to maximize the effectiveness of the learning. While you may see that per headcount investment is high, but trust me, the effectiveness is a lot greater than if you squeeze in many people where they couldn't learn, and at the end of the day, when they leave the training, they feel frustrated, or in fact, they're scared of the Excel, for example. That would be bad. Then when it comes to soft skill, many people say, hey, Brian, it's the same soft skill. You stand in front of talking, no matter how many people we put in, it's the same. Well, it is not. If we are looking at those talk where it is a one-way communication, yes, I agree with you. But how we do it in terms of our program is very different. There's a lot of interaction. There's a lot of activity in order to help the people to sink in and understand. We want them to talk, to discuss, bounce back, ask questions. So many interaction. And we as a trainer, we are responsible to every participant. We wanted to see their breakthrough. We wanted to see the transformation. And when it comes to things like leadership, you know everyone is different. And you need time and space for them to slowly sink in. You cannot just push it in or rub it in, because it's human that you are dealing with. It's different from Excel skill where you just teach them a technique or function. But now you're talking about potentially helping them to see their blind spot or their limitation of their thinking or character. And this needs space and time. In fact, in most of our leadership training, besides me as a trainer, I also have another trainer, Albert, who will be joining me in the program, who will go around subtly to move, crack, and help these people. Either they are the tough nuts or they are slow learner. That is what makes it very, very effective. Because at the end of the day, you find that everyone will start to realize and open up. Should in between there are people that do not open up, actually it can be very damaging because they could be influencing others too. So when we move in, normally there will be two of us. One will be in front, another one will be subtly going around to help and help them to understand what they need to understand. That makes our course very different from other people.